Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the people of Northeast St. Anne will go to the polls in a by-election on September 30.
The by-election comes almost a year before a general election is constitutionally due and could be the first of several in coming months.
Now, the announcement was made by Prime Minister Andrew Holness at Jamaica House Wednesday morning, hours after first-time MP Marsha Smith resigned from the seat.
As Kalisha Williams reports, Matthew Samuda will now be the running on the JLP's ticket in the constituency.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness made a surprise appearance at Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. First, the precursor, which signaled that a big announcement was coming.
You would have been informed of Minister Clark's promotion to serve internationally in the IMF. Yesterday, we announced the resignation of Marsha Smith as Member of Parliament for Northeast St. Anne. Minister Matthew Samuda will replace Marsha in Northeast St. Anne as the party's candidate. And on Monday last, he tendered his resignation from the Senate and as a minister to make himself available.
Against that background, Mr. Holness said major changes are coming for the government and it will begin in northeastern St. Anne.
Today, I am announcing that a by-election will be held in the constituency of Northeast St. Anne. The nomination day will be September 11th, 2024, and the election day will be September 30th, 2024.
Matthew Samuda has been working in the constituency for some time, following mounting criticisms and protests by residents in the constituency for Marsha Smith to step aside. As the people prepare to go to the polls to vote for a new representative, Mr. Holness indicated that he's working on a new appointment for Smith, who he says has excellent skills in industrial relations. However, journalists were more concerned about Mr. Holness's decision to have a by-election in St. Anne so soon, when the Southern Trelawney seat has been vacant for almost a year now after MP Marissa Dalrymple Philibert resigned in September 2023.
Northeast St. Anne is not singled out. As I have said, we are at a stage where we are now ready to do all the by-elections, and all of them will be done. It is just that this one is going to be done first, but all the by-elections will be done.
Can you give us a time frame as to when that will happen?
As they come due, they will be done. And I would say within months.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.